everybody, my name is Karen and I am the counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on the path to become a registered nurse. In this workshop, I will guide you through the steps necessary if you are interested in a nursing career. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with step 1. Step 1 is the most common requirement, which is the high school diploma. You won't be able to advance in your higher education if you don't have a high school diploma. A high school diploma will make you eligible to apply to a higher education program towards your desired degree. To set yourself apart in high school, consider taking higher level science and math classes, as well as any health-related classes that are available to you and at your high school, such as anatomy and physiology or medical terminology. So that is if you would like to stand out on your college applications or in your nursing program applications, and taking AP classes in these classes that I mentioned before, maybe even biology, can help you in standing out and help you feel more prepared for a college career in nursing. Many nursing students gain experience in healthcare by volunteering in hospitals and clinics after school and on summer breaks. So maybe you can reach out to hospitals in your area to see if there are any internship or volunteer opportunities that they offer to high school students in order for you to gain experience. Let's move on to step 2, which is choose a career path. There are 3 different routes that you can take if you're interested in becoming a registered nurse. First, we have attend a 2 to 3 year associate degree program in nursing. Next, we have attend a vocational school to obtain the LPN, which is the License of Practical Nursing, or the LVN, which is the License of Vocational Nursing. And finally, attend a 4-year university to major in nursing for your undergraduate degree and obtain a bachelor's degree in nursing. So as you can see, these 3 levels of nursing require different education, but of course you choose the one that is more applicable to you and the one that you are mostly interested in. Let's move on to step 3. For step 3, we have take the National Council Licensure Exam. All of the programs that I mentioned previously prepare you to take this exam to become a registered nurse. So that is whether you're pursuing an associate degree, a certificate program, or a bachelor's degree, all of those prepare you to become a registered nurse. And finally, we have step 4. For step 4, we have consider opportunities for advancement. Of course, there are also a lot of opportunities for advancement in a nursing career. Becoming an RN, a registered nurse, offers room for advancement in the medical field as well. Many RNs do pursue a master's degree in nursing or in a related field to become an advanced practice registered nurse, also known as APRNs. APRNs do have a variety of careers that they can choose from as well. As you can see, we have some examples right here. And the scope of practice varies from state to state, but some APRNs do have their own patients and have ability to diagnose patients and prescribe medications. So that is if you want a more variety of nursing opportunities in your career, then pursuing a master's degree in nursing or in a related field could be something for you. Alright, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I'd like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We will also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback you all can give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop, or if you'd like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of those questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye!